Listen, this is not financial advice. This is not investment advice, okay? But somebody asked me an interesting not well, they didn't ask me a question really, but they're looking at what we do online, and he has an interest in investing his money to get a return. And he mentioned he did stocks and shares ISAs. I can't say it. Stocks and shares ISAs. So it got me thinking, well, why would you start a home business if you're investing money? So let me show you what I found using the wonderful world of AI. So um, share screen. Right. So I went to Perplexity, and it was pretty cool actually. I ended up using Perplexity Computer. Um, so let's say I invest $160 into something we're going to call HBA. I don't want to mention the company name, just going to call it HBA. You might know what it is, but it's not about HBA. This is not investment advice, to make that clear. This is just an illustration. It's just purely an example, let's say for entertainment purposes, right? So anyway, it was an interesting question to me. So if you paid $160 a month to join this particular vehicle, and then you just made two sales, you made two sales and you maintained two sales. Now, what does that mean? That might be two for life, right? You might do way more than that. You might struggle, who knows? But people come, people go, and this is the only one of the only things that I do where people have come back. I've only done two things where people come back to it, and this is one of them, right? So chances of doing two, I don't think are that bad. You might have to work harder than you thought to get them if you're new to this, but once you get them, it's all good. And once you know what to do. So that pays out $128 referral per customer. So what I said is, okay, so I'll just get two customers. I've still got my outgoing expense, but I've just got two referrals, $128 a month each. And I want to compare that between against investing $1,000 into typical returns, because they vary obviously with stocks and shares, typical returns for a stocks and shares ISA. Now, again, I've asked AI for this. I haven't done any other research than that. Right? You notice how careful I'm being, guys, not to give financial right advice here. Right. So it gives you a breakdown here. So, you're paying out 120, but you're earning two times out. So it's 256 minus 160, $96 a month net profit. And then what I asked it to do, I said, work it out over 5 years. So year one, if you got the ISA, the stocks and shares ISA, okay, you're going to make $70 profit at a 7% return. But with HBA, you would have made $1,152, right? Um, and so you're actually ahead by over $1,000, right? And then you can see it here. So the money compounds with the stocks and shares ISAs, which is brilliant, right? But as you can see, by year five, you made $400, but with HBA, you actually up at 5,760. If you did this, if you maintain two customers, yada yada yada, you could do three customers, four customers, 10 customers, who knows, right? You could do one customer, who you might do no customers. I'm being very, very, very careful what I say here because we're talking stocks and shares. I'm not a licensed financial advisor or anything like that. But I thought it was a really good illustration of why, if you're into investing, you need cash to invest, right? And the returns with a home-based business, it says at the bottom here, HBA is more of a cash flow business model, right? Whereas the ISA is slower but passive, completely passive after settle. Well, HBA can be, to be honest with you. But it depends on sales, retention, ongoing activity. So it depends where you want to be, how much you want to put into it. Is that kind of reward, which is like 10 times more plus than the equivalent $1,000 in an ISA, worth it to you? Only you know that. If you're interested in more info, message us because we also have an option that can pay $100, $250, $500, $1,000, $2,000 instant commissions as well. And this is exactly the kind of reason why I got into home-based business, guys. Okay, I wanted to quit my job, wanted to be able to grow money and stuff like that. It's exactly why I started it all these years ago. So anyway, if that is of interest to you, message me and we can give you some more info.